Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, loaded with features, and a fair price. Features also include halogen headlamps, heated mirrors, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration, USB adapter, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Outlander Sport. The all-new Outlander Sport features a fuel-efficient engine paired to either a 5-speed manual or a continuously variable transmission and comfortable accommodations for 5. Passengers will be treated to a refined ride in comfortable surroundings with a host of welcome features and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.